This automatic double-chamber tea bag packing machine is a high-speed, fully automatic solution for producing double-chamber tea bags with string, tag, and aluminum staple. Designed for tea, herbal infusions, and medicinal granules, this machine delivers up to 120 bags per minute with precision dosing and consistent quality. Using non-heatseal filter paper, it cold seals double-chamber tea bags that ensure excellent infusion performance. Controlled by a reliable PLC system, offers high performance, safety, and ease of operation, making it the preferred choice for tea manufacturers worldwide.